Hi everyone, Kaylin here with Volitant. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your Agris T100 drone? Let's install the 4-nozzle spray kit and upgrade your drone to high volume spray applications. Begin with the aircraft powered off and an empty spray tank. Remove the battery and place the aircraft on a stable work surface. Unfold the spray boom and remove the shaft connecting shells. Disconnect the liquid supply hose and electrical line. Locate the 4 mounting screws and remove. Release the boom with the detached components. Remove the 5 screws on the original lance shaft connector and set aside. Replace with the new aluminum shaft connector. Moving on to the spray boom, locate and release the C-clip at the base of the spring fixing piece. Unscrew by hand the spring fixing piece to release tension and slide them both to the side. Insert spacers on either side of the shaft sleeve and pull apart until the hole is visible. On the nozzle end, expose the hose connection by loosening the 2 screws at the base and removing the 4 screws around the frame. Disconnect the liquid supply hose on either side of the solenoid. Find the screw on the inside of the lance shell, remove, and pull off the bottom shell frame. Flip the nozzle frame over and remove the 3 screws atop the lance shell. Release the shell, loosen the 2 screws securing the centrifugal motor, and remove. Pull out the liquid supply line from the base of the boom. Remove the shaft sleeve and detach the compression spring components. Replace the support rod with the provided one, featuring 2 locator pinholes toward the base instead of 1. Reattach the components and feed the electrical line back through the rod and the shaft sleeve. Push the liquid supply line through the sleeve into the rod. Attach the nozzle frame until it aligns with the inner screw hole and secure. Attach the shaft sleeve, tightening the spring fixing components, and secure the C-clip. Connect the centrifugal motor to the electrical line and tighten the 2 screws. Reattach the shell frame and connect the 2 liquid hose lines on either side of the solenoid. Align the solenoid and secure with the 4 screws, 2 on either side. attach the bottom shell frame with the additional 2 screws. Lastly, connect and attach the centrifugal motor to the lance shell with the 3 screws. For the additional nozzle, align the lance fixing base and slide the complete nozzle assembly onto the rod and attach with 4 screws. Locate the hose clip, align with the pin, and attach with the screw facing down. Feed the liquid supply and electrical lines back through the lance connector onto the landing frame of the drone and secure the boom with 4 screws. Reattach the shaft connecting shells. Find the additional liquid supply hose and connect to the new nozzle solenoid. Loop the line beneath the landing frame and attach to the existing Y connector. Secure the hose into the clip. Remove the plug on the Y connector and attach the original hose. Plug in the electrical connector and clip back in place. Locate the electrical connector panel and remove the cover of the expansion port. Attach and secure the provided adapter cable. Clip the lines into the routing paths along the spray tank and attach to the second nozzle. Secure the connector into the clip on the rod and inside the landing gear crossbeam. Repeat this process for the other side and your T100 is now configured for high volume spraying and ready to tackle the next application. Thanks for watching and safe flying.